by looking at the brighter side of life and communicating this to students through story sessions. Teacher Efren shows a personal quality of blank. O ayan, kahit na nag-truncate yung relationship ninyo ng ex mo mukhang kwago, sabi dito ng comment box kanina, no? Isang comment ng ating mga kaguro dito, yung ex mong tinatawag mong kwago na sa ngayon, nag-truncate ang inyo pong relationship, ginost ka, no? But you are still looking at the brighter side of life. And you are talking to your students. You are communicating this to your students through a story, no? What personal quality would this be? Ano kayang personal quality ito, no? And of course, tumpak na choice po natin dito is optimism. Alright? So optimism po yan, no? Looking at the brighter side of life. Positive lang tayo, sabi ni Ma'am Cor or Sir Cor dito. Okay? Not compassion. We've talked about this. We've talked about this. And of course, self-confidence. Nako, ito din yung ex mo, di ba? Bilib na bilib sa sarili or yung frenemy mo na bilib sa sarili. Katrabaho mong bida-bida. Okay? Self-confidence yan. Yung bilib sa sarili. Alright? So letter A ang ating pong tumpak na choice.